Okay, tikirige, katha, and gnanakatha, Malia. Let's go to float. Hey, gnanakatha, Malia, and tikirige, katha. What's up next? Tikirige, katha is float my house. He next float. What's up? He next float in the house. What's next float in the house? Step on. Okay, tikirige, katha, we float to sink. Anybody to knows to get.